Padang, a capital city of West Sumatra. The largest city on the western coast of Sumatra Island. You can enjoy the beautiful landscape of the beach and the Conciliation Monument. Here, you can review the history about Minangkabau and creating a handcraft from the resources. A wonderful beach and bridge that had a legend behind it. Endless exploring for those who seek adventure. A legendary culinary that is known by its spiciness. Nasi Padang, served to your table. Explored the ocean and found over 1 million beautiful creatures. An island around the blue ocean to visit. Offering an enjoyable moments to tell. Padang, your motherland, wonderful Indonesia.